Look for the peeps. They're how pretty. Cha, oh God. Mouth run water for Easter apple. Yo, Jamaica nice. I check out the Easter apple seed. I'll try you now. See? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Why I love Star apple. Nice man. Mm. Oh God. When me I use Star apple and melon, me like body look for me. Cause me deal with them wicked. Your body, you know? Cha, can't go so. Cha now. Mm. Mm. Okay, peeps. This is Star apple. Mm. Boy, that you want here. Long time you no climb, you know. But peeps, chairman, Star apple good man, nice. Percy bar catch him. Your body, you know. Then when you're done, use the skin, get rid of that stain. And to the next mission, you know, my peeps. Go. Apple in a bush here, you know. See this sweet, fresh apple upon tree, you know. Yeah, that. Two of them. Pick that one, yeah, because that one is more riper. Yeah, man, this is Jamaican apple. Smells sweet. I know it tastes sweet too. Yeah, man, see apple tree. Percy gone left me. Yeah, if you jackfruit tree them. So, apple knife. Pretty on knife. Walking through the bush. You eating fruits.